Let's take a look at Naics. Naics is the North American Industry Classification System. It is a classification system developed by the governments of Canada, Mexico, and the United States for NAFTA, and it provides some common definitions for the structure of the three respective economies. If you go to the main library guide page for Mgmt 443, under the section Government Resources, you'll find a link to the Naics website. The site is hosted by Statistics Canada, and if you scroll down, you'll find an introduction which will give you more detailed information on the Naics classification system, but we're going to go straight to classification structure and definitions. There are two ways you can search for your Naics code. You can search through keyword searching here, or you can browse through the main categories, slowly drilling down to more detailed categories. So let's say we were searching for the restaurant industry. I would look for something related to restaurants, and I see down here accommodation and food services. Seems like a good match. Click on the link at 72, and it expands to give you more detailed businesses within that category. So we have accommodation services, we have food services and drinking places. That sounds like the one we want. And underneath there we find full service, limited service, special, and drinking places. We want the full service restaurants. And here we go. We have a definition of this segment of the economy, and we have our Naics code, which is 72211. If you scroll down to the bottom, there are some example activities, and here are the keywords that they use to describe this industry. If we wanted to search by keyword, we'll go back to the main page here just to try it, and we will search for restaurant. As you can see, it brings up all activities related to restaurants, including construction, equipment, delivery, but we are interested in full service restaurants again. Here we go. And here we go again. We're back to the same page. Now you'll notice this is slightly different in that it has taken us to the full service restaurants US number, which is the same as the Canadian number, except with a 0 added on to the end. And that is Naics.